Okay, so today I want to talk a little bit about the Internet module. So let's go there. We'll click on Internet button from the home screen, which will take us to the, maybe not, Internet. There we go. And we started, of course, as always, on the introductory page of the module, and that's going to come up, and when you're actually watching this video will be on that page, but it's not there yet because I'm making it. The Internet and the World Wide Web is the first section I want you to look at. And I do want this completed before you do anything else because it has the information that you kind of need for everything else that you're going to do. And there's enough information in here that I actually broke it down into 3 different blend space units. The first one is called the Internet background, and that one has just some good general background information. It has some history. It has a lot of terminology. So when you're going to do your vocabulary sheet, you'll definitely want to start with the background and some foundational information that doesn't necessarily fit in to either of the other 2 blend spaces. The second one is searching and evaluating. Again, using the Internet as a resource, it's a wonderful tool, but you have to be able to figure out whether what you're looking at is quality information or not and how to evaluate it. So that's the focus of the second blend space. And then the third one is looking at the other way we use the Internet, which is communicating with each other. And we look at how to use social media and communication tools on the Internet. As you're working through this, you should, by the time you're done, have a general understanding of basic terminology, understand how to search the World Wide Web, how to evaluate sources that you find, have a good understanding of netiquette and social media and the different things involved with that, as well as smart online shopping. We do have several assignments associated with. There is the vocabulary sheet, which will be submitted for each unit. And in addition to that, you're going to create a document that explains to your coworkers how to write professional emails. You will look at one that actually takes a look at some search results to analyze those whether or not they're quality sources, and help me to understand whether I should use those sources for information. And then we'll look a little closer at how to effectively search. So we figured out that some of the sources we found weren't so good, so how do we find better sources? And we'll use some of the search techniques we learned to do that. We have a discussion about netiquette. You'll actually take a netiquette quiz that gives really good feedback for each of the answers, and then you will kind of look at how you did on that and discuss where you did well, where you didn't. Don't forget on the discussions, it's always important to respond to your classmates as well. And then the last assignment, an A-level assignment, is how to leverage social media as a marketing tool. And you'll think about your company that you're working for and what social media tools that they can use to market themselves. There's so many companies out there doing it well, and you're going to want your company to be one of them. So I will look forward to working with you on this Internet unit.